Well, I finally got it back together. It took every bit of, well, I've been working on this about 3 years, 3.5 years. Got it painted. Got the boom all situated on there. Still haven't painted the bucket and the cylinders, the hood. Well, the cover with the seat. I didn't get it painted either, so I got in a rush to put it together, so I went ahead and just put it on there. The engine, I could not get it to run right with points in it, so I switched it over to electronic. I was able to find this little kit. There's the points and stuff. So actually that little kit did a really good job. Timing was off pretty bad. I just did get it set. The rear tires kept going flat, so I put tubes in them. The rims are bad. But yeah, just a couple more little things. All the leaks have stopped, so I took care of all that. Still got to paint the rear counterweight. It's international. New hoses. So you see it should start. And this is a weird place for the key switch, but that's where it was originally. Sure of your model, I think it's like 76, 78. Like I said, I've known this skid steer since it was brand new. Put a V-bore seat on it. These things were known as death traps. I'm gonna get it out and drive it around some, see if I've improved the ignition. As always, thanks for watching.